Hello everyone. So I decided to use a screencast-o-matic tool to show you guys my Seesaw lessons for my classroom page because I was afraid that if you click the links that I'm going to put in there, you won't be able to get in because you're not in my actual classroom. So this is my Seesaw page, and my students knew to do this after they finished their work that they gave us. So if I'm scrolling through, these are the lessons that I have not graded by my students. So we work with L blends. I would assign them with something dealing with L blend, and then this is one of their work that they turned in. I just haven't approved it. We work with greater than and less than as far as comparing numbers. Over here in this area, this is all of the students in my classroom. And sometimes you can go to your inbox and it can show you if students have made, I can make an announcement. If students have sent me something, if I have notifications, they'll be there. So I have 64 unapproved items in my classroom. And that's where we just came to. Like right here, this student replied with a picture or a video. I'm not going to open it for privacy purposes. Um, but we did different things. Like these are just numbers and phonics, telling time, adding and addition and subtraction. They would do things with sight words. And they'll just have lots of activities to do, and then for them to turn it into me for me to check them. I have a decision where I can click to approve all, and I'll go ahead and do that because the semester's over with. But this is my this is my Seesaw lesson page.